welcome back to Showbiz Exclusives. Recently pumutok ang balitang buntis ng araw si Katrina Halili at umamin ang sexy na actress na si Chris Lawrence ang ama. Pero matagal ring di sumagot si Chris sa nasabing issue. Until now. Here's his story of fatherhood. Watch this.
Matapos pumutok ang nakakayanig na balitang 3 buwan nang nagdadalang tao ang sexy actress na si Katrina Halili, ang itinuturong ama, Chris Lawrence, nagsalita na.
Super proud. It was something that wasn't planned, but since it's here and we're ready.
Noong una, hindi raw makapaniwala si Chris na halos 3 buwan nang nagdadalang tao ang kanyang showbiz girlfriend.
Shocked. I was shocked. I didn't know how to react. Yeah, sobrang kinabahan. Sobrang daming questions pumasok in like 5 milliseconds. Ready ka na ba? Ano ba? But at the end of the day, after that 2 seconds was finished, I smiled, I hugged her, and then I said, "This is it."
Ang tanong ng sambayanan, handa na nga bang maging ama si Chris sa pinagbubuntis ni Katrina?
Yes, I think I am.
Bukod sa soon-to-be dad, may iba pa raw pinaglilihian si Katrina lately.
Sobrang hilig niya ngayon magluto, which is true. It's good for me kasi masarap ng kinakain ko lagi. Yeah, she's become a very good cook. Super, galing. Ang galing, sarap, sobrang.
Chris, makakarinig na rin ba kami ng wedding bell sa mga susunod na buwan?
Wedding plans, we've talked about that. We almost did. Her father talked to me, her mother talked to me, my mom called and said, anak, you know, both sides, both parties, they want us to get married. So we talked about it. And we both agreed that we will know when the time is right.
At kung ikaw ang masusunod, ano ang gusto mong maging panganay mo ni Katrina? Baby boy o baby girl?
Ako, syempre po gusto ko boy para may magdala ang pangalan ko. Pero sa ngayon, feeling ko babae siya kasi sobrang ganda ni Kat ngayon. Sobrang blooming po siya.
Kung baby girl nga ang kutob mong magiging firstborn nyo, ano naman ang gusto mong ipangalan sa kanya?
Christina, para Chris and Katrina.
What if a boy?
If a boy, I've always wanted lyric. Parang lyrics ng kanta. Siyempre po, musikero po ako.
Ayon kay Chris, hindi raw siya gaanong nakadama ng pressure sa balitang pagbubuntis ni Katrina. Bagkos tinanggap niya ito bilang isang napakalaking blessing sa buhay niya.
It's an overwhelming feeling. I think I'm experiencing emotions that I never even knew that I had. It's a blessing. Sobrang blessing. And sobrang aalagaan ko tong blessing na to.